Assalamu alaikum. Recently, I found that one of the cool Unity tip that can save a lot of time of developer community. So this will help you to decrease the loading time whenever you first time open the Visual Studio. So this tip I have also found on Unite, and here you can also see that you can reduce load time by unchecking this restore solution explorer box. So I try this option, but the option is not working at my side. Maybe you have a good idea about this, so I'm sharing this link with you. Plus I'm sharing the clip of Unite that showing that how you can decrease the load time so that we can help community in this perspective. So I'm sharing you my experience, but before this, just watch the clip of Unite.
Tip 3, you can reduce the time that it takes to load your solution by basically unchecking this box. If you don't care about restoring the project hierarchy, so if you launch your solution and you wanted to unfold all the folders and all the right to the file you had open the last time, then don't uncheck this. But if you don't care about that, which talking to Unity developers, sometimes they really don't care about this when they jump into a Unity project, you can get a performance boost by not restoring that, or just open up the solution and then you can go to the file that you want to directly.
Let's open this test script so we can see that how much time it takes to load our solution explorer in Visual Studio. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Oh, so it took almost 10 seconds to load this test script with my previously open script. So if you want to decrease this opening time, you can go to tools option, then select project and solution, and uncheck restore solution explorer and project hierarchy state on the solution world. So let's uncheck it. Okay, so you can see that I have this 4 tabs open, so I close this. Now let's start it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it took almost the same amount of time. Let me see what gets wrong with this. I go to option and project installation. Still it did not make any difference. Maybe load it one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it took almost the same amount of time, so it is better to leave this option check. I'm very sorry, I'm failed to make it efficient.